Have you ever stopped for a moment and asked yourself, where is your money really working? Most of us, almost 90% of people, keep our money sitting in a bank account. It feels safe, right? You believe your money is protected, secure, and growing, even if slowly. But here's the truth that most people never think about. When you deposit your money in a bank, the bank doesn't just keep it locked away. Instead, it lends that money to someone else and earns a much bigger profit from it. So technically, your money is working hard, just not for you. You get a small interest, maybe a few dollars here and there, while the bank earns significantly more using your money. Now, don't get me wrong, keeping money in a bank isn't bad. It's important for safety and emergencies. But if all your money is just sitting there, then you're missing out on its true power. Because real wealth is not built by saving money alone. It's built by growing it. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful assets that can help your money multiply over time and bring you closer to financial freedom. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start. You just need the right mindset and the right direction. Let's begin. First, understand this simple concept. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket or increases in value over time. A liability, on the other hand, takes money out of your pocket. For example, a rental property is an asset, but an expensive car that costs you maintenance and fuel, that's a liability. The difference between wealthy people and the average person is simple. Wealthy people invest in assets. Most people spend on liabilities. Now, let's explore the assets. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate has been one of the most trusted ways to build wealth for decades. Land is limited, but the population keeps growing, and that means demand keeps increasing. Think about it. Something that was worth $500 10 years ago could easily be worth $5,000 or more today. Imagine you buy a small apartment and rent it out. Every month, you receive rental income, maybe $200 to $300. And at the same time, the value of your property keeps increasing every year. That's double benefit, passive income, and long-term growth. Number 2, skills. Your most powerful asset is not money, it's your skills. Whether it's video editing, coding, marketing, or communication, skills can generate income in any situation. You can earn through a job, freelancing, or even your own business. And here's the best part. No one can take your skills away from you. Today, with the internet, learning a new skill is easier than ever. You can start with just a few dollars or even for free. If you have skills, you have unlimited ways to earn. Number 3, gold. Gold is not just jewelry, it's a timeless investment. Over the years, gold has consistently increased in value. For example, something that was worth around $100 years ago might now be worth over $800. Gold acts as a protection against inflation. When prices rise, gold usually rises too. And the best part? You can convert gold into cash almost anywhere in the world. Number 4, stocks and shares. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small part of a company. If that company grows, your money grows. Yes, the stock market goes up and down, but over time, good companies tend to grow. You can start small, even with $50 or $100, through apps or investment plans like SIPs. Remember, stocks are not a get-rich-quick scheme. They are long-term wealth-building tools. Number 5, business ownership. In a job, you trade your time for money. But in a business, your system and your team work for you. Even a small business, online or offline, can become a steady source of income. Big companies started small too. What matters is consistency and smart decisions. Number 6, mutual funds. If you don't have much time or knowledge about investing, mutual funds are a great option. Your money is spread across multiple companies, which reduces risk. Experts manage your investments, while you simply invest a small amount regularly, like $50 or $100 per month. Over time, this small habit can turn into a large amount. Number 7, bonds. If you prefer safety and stable returns, bonds are for you. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to a government or company, and they pay you fixed interest. The returns may not be huge, but they are reliable and low risk. Number 8, digital assets. We're living in a digital world, and digital assets are one of the fastest growing ways to earn. This includes things like YouTube channels, ebooks, online courses, or mobile apps. You create something once, and it keeps earning for you again and again. That's the power of passive income. Number 9, venture capital. This means investing in new startups. If the startup succeeds, your investment can multiply many times. Yes, it's risky, but the rewards can be life-changing. Today, even small investors can invest in startups with as little as $100. Number 10, e-commerce stores. In today's world, you don't need a physical shop to start a business. You can sell products online to people across the world. Once your store is set up, it can generate income 24/7, even while you sleep. All you need is a good product and the right strategy. So here's the truth. If your money is only sitting in a bank, you are playing it safe, but also small. But when you start investing in assets, your money starts working for you. And that's how real wealth is built. If you learned something valuable from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, which of these assets are you planning to start with? And remember, your financial future depends on the decisions you make today. I'll see you.